Good morning, y'all. It is finally here. It's Christmas morning, and I hope that I am one of the first to wish you a Merry Christmas. Uh, I can't, I can't believe the Christmas season has moved so fast. Uh, we made, in case you didn't catch it, we made the 12 days of Christmas cookies, and if you missed any, uh, gotta check them out because one is so good. Our accountant for the Lady and Sons was just out here, and he said, "I've been watching all of your cookies, the 12 days of Christmas cookies." And he said, "I'm gonna start baking." He is a divorcee; he's not married, and he said that preacher's cookie really caught my interest. I said, "Oh my gosh, yes!" A viewer sent that in to us, and I loved it, y'all. And it's a no bake. She said you can make these in the time from the time the preacher gets out of his car till he rings your doorbell, coming for some fried chicken. Uh, and it tasted like fudge to me. Did you like those, Eddie?
I did, yeah. There's a
I
good
just
old
thought they were,
fashioned. The twist was adding coconut.
yes. I just thought they were so yummy. In fact, hearing Carl talk about that, that makes me want to make another batch. But I appreciate all of y'all. I think we selected 10 recipes from what we set down. Two of the recipes were from from me, but if you didn't catch those, try to catch it because there is really some good cookie recipes that
My
they sent.
favorite was Aunt Anne's walnut cookie. That
Oh
was
my goodness, it was delicious, Eddie. And the name of it was Aunt Anne's walnut cookies. Did that one have a glaze kind of on
they had
top?
brown butter sugar things.
Yes. Okay, that's what I thought I was remembering because I think we made two cookies that had like a glazed topping, right?
Right.
But yes, that is definitely high up there on the list to make. Um, and now we're getting ready for New Year's, a new year, y'all. And it's funny. I don't make resolutions. I just don't do it because I feel that I'm setting myself up for failure. Because when I don't meet up to my resolution, that's exactly what I feel like. I feel like a failure. So, this is what I do. I'm going to try to do so and so better. So, if I don't do it, I'm still a good person just because I ate some candy that I wasn't supposed to. Um, but that's just the way I feel about it. I don't want to set myself up for failure mentally because that can get you down. I hope, though, that every one of y'all are in a wonderful place this morning. I hope that you have peace and contentment and joy in your life. And I hope you're surrounded with family and friends. I can't believe that this will be the fourth or the fifth Christmas without my Bubba. Hard to believe, isn't it, Eddie? He
Yes.
passed away in 2019. So 4 years. This is 4 Christmases without him. And he was always so much fun to be with at Christmas time. He had a good sense of humor. So now's the time that we can reflect back on the year and maybe people that we are missing in our life. But we cannot forget to enjoy the ones that are with us and just love them to pieces and share with them the love that's in your heart. I hope, I hope it's going to be a marvelous day. I hope you're surrounded by children and grandchildren and grandparents, aunts and uncles and friends. And I want to be the first one to say this morning that I'm sending you love, much love, and many best wishes. Have a wonderful day, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.